When I was a young girl and in my prime, I ran away with a man I had loved for some time. But after a while he left me in distress. He left me there with a baby upon my breast. So my father, he built me a shady bower. He covered it over with shamrock flowers, the prettiest flowers you ever did see. That's what my dear old father built up for me. It was early, oh early, and in the spring, while the small birds did whistle and so gently did sing, they changed their voices from tree to tree, and the song that they sung was for my baby and me. But then my father, he owed me a dreadful slight. He sent 9 robbers all in one night to take my baby and do her great harm. That's what my dear old father built up for